So, look what has happened. I'll tell you what has happened. Uh, Drives which are changed. This is some technical shit. Huh? Drives which are changed. Hmm? I hold the drives which all the uh, bad stuff happened. What which the scammers were using, stealing data. Hmm? And if the extraction report is removed, I'll get the serial number where they were stealing those files from. Hmm? In the extraction report. And what serial number is my own Lenovo. So Lenovo, I cannot put two drives into it. Samjha? So, and I'll also get the serial number of the person who was stealing it. Hmm? Then after that, what do you call it? The extraction. Didn't I say I got the fake forensic report? I was not making this up. Fake forensic department hid many stuff from me. My phone was sync. Uh, what do you call it? And there was a group attached to the laptop computer, which the group waved the flag of group, and he what do you call it? Didn't give me this information. And what he did, he erased the existence of published data. I asked him, published data existence is not there. He said, where you have published? Where? Well, it's published in magazine and some in news. So he got scared. So आप क्या करें? So in my recent visit, when I gave it to the police, look, published data is not there in the extraction report. So he asked, did you have that extraction report? No, like, yes. So its existence has been removed, but it's published out there. He nodded his head like this way. Hmm. So uh, they were deleting the existence of published data which they have no clue. There are more. That's why I said I'll give my stuff in time. So, and if I get the extraction report of the drive which I am holding, it won't match the extraction report of the drive which is stolen and which I have the extraction report. It won't match. And here's the stuff which they are gonna do. They are gonna erase the web history of my cousins and my family. They are gonna erase the what do you call it? The my emails and all those stuff. They are gonna erase all that. Hmm? And they are gonna show the existence of the data in the extraction report. But in file forensics, my name will pop up. Of course, everyone is going to ask for that file according to that extraction report. That's the creation date. Give us the file. Movie might be released, but we want that file. So you have to email that file, and it's going to be a file forensics where my name will be pop up. Well, my name will pop up. So I dropped the what do you call it? Call records of that LLP guy, fake forensic department. Didn't I tell you I caught the fake forensic department? I told you this part, right? That I caught the fake forensic department. So that's the fake forensic department. And but over that I got forgery. While I was outside, while I was in Pune, and forgery happened in Mumbai. So, even if they present, what do you call it, stamped forged papers from 2000, 2001 or 2002, they have to produce the file. Because forgery is already on record. So sorry I fucked you so bad. I said I needed time to understand this scam. Very this bad. So basically this information is not for me. This information is for the people who have files. Everyone. So it was a walk in the park for you. How much did you pay? I don't think it's a walk in the park. You must have paid a big number for fake forensic department. A fake forensic department is paying a big number to corrupt. Look, son, it's my job. The stuff which you are doing is called looting and what do you call it? Thugging. It's your job. And I'm also on my job. What it is? To do research. 3 साल झकने मारा है मैंने. हमने यह आसान नहीं है. जो इतने सारे लोग एक को फंसाने के लिए उस एक ने सबको प्रोस्टिट्यूट बना दिया है आज की डेट में. प्रोस्टिट्यूट और भड़वा उनके एविडेंस पे. ये आसान नहीं है. तो it will be a walk in the park if I reply the threat. Look, blood bones, I don't matter. Before also I didn't matter. It will be a walk in the park for me because I am used to it, blood and bones. So if I reply any threat, मेरे को कुछ फर्क ही नहीं. It will be a walk in the park because of those police reports. Drive is changed. Configuration shows 2020. Extraction report from 2016. Existence of published data deleted. And this drive and that drive extraction report won't match. What the fuck is happening?